has developed a unique software for sales and marketing professionals. The new software has been developed by Harendra Nath Hazarika, a young IT professional of Duliajan in Eastern Assam. Well, Harendra claims the software would help the common people as it is very much easy to use.
News Live, News Live,
The new software, which he has named Horan's Professional Software or HPS, was launched in Dibrugarh on Thursday. Harendra Nath Hazarika of Duliajan has carved a niche for himself in the world of information technology when he launched a self-developed software for business professionals in Dibrugarh on Thursday. Claiming that the newly launched software, which he has named Horan's Professional Software or HPS, would be of immense use for IT beginners, the 25-year-old IT student said the software can help generate accounting reports, including reports on basic sales and purchases.
Training on 30 আমি এটো কাম কৰিব পাৰো এক্সপার্ট হ'ব লাগিব বা বিকম বা একাউন্টেন্ট হ'ব লাগিব কিন্তু আমি যেটো ভাবিছো এটো কি জেনারেল মানুহ জেনারেল পাবলিকো আমি তো সুবিধা হ'ব বুলি আমি তো
The IT student further said he had developed his software 2 years ago and had made some changes in it on the basis of the response from various quarters.
Software 2007 কৰা হয় খালি এনে বিজনেস কৰাৰ পাছত মানে লাহে কৰি থোৱা হৈছে এটো মানুহৰ কিছুমান ফিডবেকো পাইছো ফিডবেকৰ ওপৰতো মই কিছুমান নতুন মডিফাই কৰিছো.
3 friends of the IT professional who had helped him in developing the software in its nascent stage were also present on the occasion. Horan hoped that the people would be greatly benefited by his software developed, besides making accounting easy for businessmen and marketing professionals. With camera person Dinesh Das, Avilasha Bora, News Live, Dibrugarh.